guys, what's up? We're at SeaWorld Orlando for some exciting news. Antarctica Realm is open today, so that means one thing: the penguins are back, as well as some revamped merchandise stores, as well as the Expedition Cafe. So let's go inside and take a look. The turnstiles aren't too bad today, but it's gonna be a busy day. I know it is. It's Memorial Day, so yeah. Aquaglow is coming up, so that's Aquatica's version of the glow event. So they're gonna have like glow objects. I believe they're gonna have like a laser show kind of thing in the wave pool. So yeah, that's gonna be kind of cool. Woohoo! Finally open. Let's go. Let's check this out. All right. So first we got greetings from the bottom of the world. So Antarctica. So we got the old store on the right, and then coming in here, we got some cool little paintings that they updid here. And then you got straight on, you got South Pole Sips. So that's gonna be the new food and then bar area. To the right, you have the dining area. And then to the left, you got the penguin trick. And that's gonna be the penguin exhibit, and then over here to the right, you got the ride area. Straight on here we have the ride entrance, so you have the quick queue on the left, right you got general queue, and then right here to the left of the entrance to the ride we have the penguin exhibit entrance. So yeah, that's right over here. Alright, so we're going in the queue line. Ooh, all right. So we got kind of a penguin in a water kind of situation. Screens up here. Very cool. Some facts over here. Did you know?
Just move forward. Go ahead and fill in all that space.
Penguins. Alright, so here's our friends, the penguins. Check it out. It's pretty dark in here, so hopefully you guys can see it. But yeah, kind of looks the same. I don't see too much of a difference. But yeah, here they are. So yeah, penguin area is open again. I don't see too much stuff that's different. Got the signs still. And water temp. Everything's really dark though, so you can't really see too much. Here's the new glacial supply gift shop. This is right at the entrance to Antarctica Realm. Well, one of the entrances. So yeah, here it is. We got a vest, and I think I've seen this one before, but yeah, they got a ton of penguin stuff, as they should, of course. They got some hoodies, penguin t-shirts.
You wanted to do it. You were pointing it out.
Penguin. Yeah, so they got a lot of penguin stuff. That's cute. Not small penguin size. Pew pew pew. Game on SeaWorld. You got these cool penguin feet. And let's go check out what else is on the other side of the gift shop. They got these really cool quilted jackets. These are kind of nice. Let me see how much these are. Those are $70. I mean, that's honestly not bad. And you can use them when you go in the penguin exhibit. T-shirts, Antarctica shirts. You got some snow globes. More jackets. Towels. A lot of the stuff you can see in the main gift shop, but overall, of course, like the ride, a lot of penguin stuff, and a lot of new stuff, so yeah, it's cool. That is a big penguin. Yeah, it's like the king penguin. Glacial collections. Looks the same, but let's see if there's anything new inside. They also got the big penguin. Plush. That's cool. Extreme heat special. And they got all the refillable cups. I don't see any ride related merchandise yet. Maybe it's coming soon. Yeah, not too much stuff that's new that I can see. But yeah. There's the other gift shop. And coming Saturday, June the 8th, there is a pin trading event. So yeah, come on out. And once again, we have the penguin mural over here in the rockwork. And they got these numbers here. So yeah, that's here again. Looks a bit cleaner, so that's nice. And Expedition Cafe is now reopened. So yeah, let's see anything new in here. Looks like we still got the pizza. Thank you. I think we still have the same kind of stuff. We got pizza, Asian food, and tendies. Wow, they looks really good in here. Over at the restaurant over here, we have mobile order pickup. So yeah, that's just to the left over here. And yeah, that's pretty convenient. Put it on the phone there and pick it up. You don't have to wait in the lines. South Pole Sips, the new bar over next to the Expedition Cafe. Let's see exactly what they got inside. Alright, over at South Pole Sips, they have the Penguin Swirl. So it's a Bacardi Silver Rum, Coconut Cream, Pineapple, and Blue Raspberry. They got cocktails, draft beers, bottled beers, and wine and seltzers. So yeah, that's the new South Pole Sips. So here's the entire Antarctica area. Looks like we got a fresh coat of paint, so looking good, as well as the new revamped stores, South Pole Sips. And yeah, we got the Penguin Trek entrance. Hopefully that opens soon, as well as the Penguin exhibit. So yeah, looking good. While we're over here, let's see if there's anything new going on the construction site. And now we can finally get the views that we had on the construction tour. Time to go check out the seals at Pacific Point Preserve. It's our buds, it's our friends, it's the pink chickens. Let's see what's going on over here. on the weekends they have Shamu and Crew Better Together breakfast, and you can make the reservations here. Hi guys. Awesome, happy 60th. Hey there. Hi. Woo! Alright, that's gonna do from SeaWorld Orlando. Some exciting stuff. The new Antarctica realm has opened. We gotta see the penguins again. How exciting. So yeah, we gotta see them. Although it's kind of dark, we still get to see the cute and cuddly guys, as well as see the new merchandise store full of penguin stuff. I know I'm saying penguin a lot, but this is a Penguin Palooza update. As well as the Expedition Cafe reopened. The new bar has opened, so we got to see all those drinks, as well as got to see a mini construction update. So yeah, if you guys like what we do, follow us on all our socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!